performance. You didn't just sing, you took us on a soulful journey, filling the room with magic and energy. Truly beautiful.
Sagastya. And now it's time to experience Bharatanatyam, one of India's oldest classical dances. Bharatanatyam beautifully mixed together storytelling and emotion. Today, this performance, let's see. And Kilani Channamma, who stood fearless in the face of adversity, truly embodied the spirit of resilience that defines our very nation. And today, through this performance, we will honor the undying courage of Indian women who fought not only for the land and wealth, but for the pride and dignity of their people.
Yes, members, we are honored with this captivating Bharatanatyam performance that celebrates the strength and courage of Onakyo Baba, an iconic woman warrior in Indian history. This 18th century legend from Karnataka tells the story of Baba, who single-handedly defended the Chitradurga fort from the invading forces of Hyder Ali. Armed with only a pistol, she fought bravely, protecting her land until her last breath. Through the powerful grace of Bharatanatyam, we bring her heroism to life, portraying her fierce determination and selfless sacrifice.
Brilliantly said, Agastya. And now, please welcome these brilliant dancers to the stage as they grace it with their stunning performance.
आपको आपकी जड़ों से जोड़ने का। हर पीढ़ी एक पुल की तरह है। अतीत से कथित ज्ञान को अगली पीढ़ी तक पहुंचाना उसका उत्तरदायित्व है। आइए इतिहास की ऐसी ही एक कथा जाने और उससे प्रेरित हो। ये कहानी है 18वीं शताब्दी में चित्रदुर्ग की। ये आज कर्नाटक का एक जिला है। यहाँ पर मदकरी नायक नाम के सरदार का शासन था। उधर हैदर अली पास में ही मैसूर पर अधिकार कर चुका था। हैदर अली एक के बाद एक राज्यों पर विजय पाने का प्रयास कर रहा था। चित्रदुर्ग के विशाल किले पर भी हैदर अली आधिपत्य पाना चाहता था। किले पर विजय की योजना बनाने के लिए उसने रायदुर्ग के और अन्य जागीरदारों को भी बुलावा भेजा। एक गुप्तचर ने हैदर अली को बताया कि चित्रदुर्ग के चट्टानी बाहरी भाग में एक दरार है जिसके माध्यम से प्रवेश पाया जा सकता है। यह भी तभी संभव था जब चौकीदार दोपहर का भोजन करने गया। हैदर अली ने लगभग 200 सैनिकों को दरार के माध्यम से चित्रदुर्ग में योजना के अनुसार भेज दिया। हैदर अली की किले के मुख्य द्वार को खोलने की योजना थी, लेकिन यहाँ सबसे बड़ी बात यही थी कि एक समय में केवल एक ही सैनिक लेते हुए जा सकता था। उस दिन चित्रदुर्ग की रखवाली के लिए मध्य हनुमान तैनात था। भोजन परोसने के बाद उसने देखा कि घर में पानी नहीं है। वह पानी लाने के लिए पास के तालाब में गई। रास्ते में उसने सुना कि किले की दरार वाली जगह से कुछ आवाज आ रही है। तत्काल खतरे को पहचानते हुए वह घर की ओर भागी और उसने देखा कि पति आराम से खाना खा रहे हैं। उसने सोचा इन्हें परेशान करना ठीक नहीं है। वह ने घर के कोने में बड़े भारी मूसर को उठाया और वापस उसी स्थान पर पहुंच गया। सैनिक आते गए और मारे जाते गए। थोड़ी ही देर में वहां शवों का ढेर लग गया था। इतनी ही देर में ओबव्वा का पति उसे ढूंढता पहुंच गया और वह अपनी पत्नी का महाकाली रूप देखकर वह आश्चर्यचकित हुआ। राजा मत्करी नायक ओबव्वा की वीरता से अत्यधिक प्रभावित हुए। उन्होंने उसे पुरस्कार के स्वरूप 3 झोलों में भरकर सोना दिया। पूरे राज्य में उसका अभिनंदन किया गया। एक सामान्य महिला ने अपनी कर्तव्य निष्ठा से राज्य के दुर्ग को बचा लिया। उसकी वीरता के किस्से सुनने सुनाए जाते हैं। जिस दरार की उन्होंने इतनी वीरता से रक्षा की थी, वह आज भी चित्रदुर्ग में देखी जा सकती है।
That was a wonderful segment. Up next, we have the captivating stories brought to you by the students of our storytelling club. Their passion will leave us all mesmerized. Please give them a big round of applause and invite them on the stage. Hey, have you won? We now have a new principal at EPS Nassau. Yes, they say that it's a huge milestone for a school and is already inspiring a new It's our commitment. And with these qualities, our students will soar to new horizons. Let's together make DPS a beacon of excellence. Hey, have you heard about the initiative taken by Dr. Siddharth, sir?
Yes, they are focusing on connecting our learning with SDG goals like quality education, climate action, and even teamwork and equality.
Wow, imagine doing projects and activities that will actually make a difference in our world. Our school is really stepping up. Hey Navya, do you remember how our school started focusing on sustainable development goals? Oh yes, it was during COVID-19 pandemic. That time, we knew what our eyes. The pandemic was such a massive challenge, but it made us think about all the global issues we have been overlooking. Exactly. It wasn't just about fighting the virus. It was about realizing the bigger picture. The SDGs proposed by the United Nations in 2015 are a good roadmap to solve these global problems. They aim to end poverty, protect the planet, and to ensure peace and prosperity for everyone by 2030. I love how interconnected those 17 goals are. They tell us that social, economic, and environmental progress go hand in hand. That's why we decided to act as global citizens. We felt it was our responsibility to address these challenges, and now all four of our campuses are working on different SDG projects. Yes, and remember the big step we took on September 18, 2021. We launched an SDGs International Collaborative Project as part of our SDGs 2 Save the World initiative. That was such a proud moment. It started with just 7 schools and now it's a global moment. Absolutely. Teams from 16 countries are involved now and we are at the 7th season of this initiative. Schools from Serbia, Greece, Ghana, Malaysia, Pakistan, Indonesia, Turkey, Peru, Nigeria, Argentina and many more are part of this project. It's so amazing to see that how something that started from a school is now bringing people together from all over the world to work on these critical issues. And I heard Sunanda ma'am is planning some exciting project for a school's initiative and cannot wait to see what's next. Me too. It's so inspiring to know that we are making a difference, one project at a time.
Today we are thrilled to present the SDGs 2 Save the World cohort 7 videos celebrating the incredible efforts of our young change people. These inspiring stories showcase the students who are not only envisioning a better future but also are actively creating solutions for real world sustainability. Also, let's have a glimpse of some of our other initiatives and some inspiring messages from our global partners. Join us celebrating their journeys and passion for positive change. Enjoy! Our journey is a testament to the transformative power of awareness and real-time action. Now we invite each of you to this vital moment. It's time for everyone to get to work together and step forward for a beautiful change. Join us for this beautiful positive change of the world. The future we envision rests on the choices we make and actions we take today. If we don't act now, we risk losing the opportunity to bring about the change we envision. Let's get together and take a bold step toward a sustainable world. Thank you.
Thank you so much to our talented storytellers of Storytelling Club of DPS Nashik. Your stories gave us a true sense of joy and pride. Let's give them a huge round of applause for their outstanding performance. अब हम आपको एक ऐसे ऐतिहासिक क्षण की ओर ले चलते हैं जब स्वतंत्रता संग्राम की शुरुआत हुई। यह वह समय था जब देश भर के दिलों में साहस और क्रांति ने जगह बनाई। Mangal Pandey rebelled against the British operations. His bravery and courage continue to inspire us to this day. विजयाय मार्गो धर्मस्य धर्मतो